Let's talk about the huge amount of health benefits of parsnips. One of my favorite things. Really great. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor for 34 years. Let's get everybody healthy. Like what I do, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and let's get all of you healthy and tell the world we can get everyone in the world feeling good. Today I want to talk about parsnips. These are one of my favorite things. This is some I roasted. Oh boy, really fantastic. Not enough people eat parsnips, and a lot of people don't even know they exist. Fantastic flavor, and I'll give you my recipe at the end of this video. Parsnips have so many health benefits. I don't know why more people don't eat them. They really are tasty, fantastic tasting stuff. I'm telling you, one of my favorite things when we can get them here, and it actually grows in almost all moderate climates. You can find it in Canada. You can find it in the United States, some areas in South America, Europe, of course. Anywhere that has a moderate climate, they like a little cold, like a turnip or a rutabaga, that type of thing. They are in the carrot family also. The whole thing is edible. They are also called like bird nest and queen's weed, hawkweed, all kinds of different things. And there are different ones that are cultivated and ones that grow wild. I don't recommend the ones that grow wild unless you really know what you're doing. In Persia, they've been used as a great diuretic, also to get rid of stones, and also helps with boosting up libido. It has a lot of coumarins and also polyphenol type of agents in it, essential oils, flavonoids. It has a huge amount of antioxidants. It helps everything, your nervous system, your respiratory system, your GI tract, your liver, your skin, your heart, your urogenital system, everything. There's nothing that it doesn't help. Also, it's powerful anti-inflammatory, helps with pain, antispasmodic, vasodilator for the coronary arteries. Wow. Also, antifungal, antimicrobial, antidepressant also. It also has some good starch and also some sugars in it. And it also has a low glycemic index for you people with diabetes too. It's been used to make all kinds of things, from soups to cakes to muffins to puddings, all kinds of different things. Really, in the UK, they use them a lot. It's even used as animal feed, and it's been used as an appetizer and actually a diuretic. And it really is soothing to the digestive tract too. So it coughs, good for the respiratory tract. Also really great for the liver to, reversing liver disease too. Also in some parts of the world, they make jams with it and pickles and all kinds of different things. If you have bloating and gas, parsnips will help you for sure. They're kind of related in the same family. But parsnips, I think, are, not utilized enough. And I think they're tasty. Huge list of antioxidants. I'm not going to get into that full list. It would take me most of this. Helps to boost up sex hormones, have a lot of organic acids, also amino acids and polyphenols, on and on and on. It's anticonvulsive and non-proliferative effects, which is really good for psoriasis and eczema and things like that also. Also, really helps with improving memory and learning, and it seems to work together with chemotherapy agents too, to help improve the possibility of it working for cancer. Antimicrobial, antifungal, anticonvulsant, as I said, anti-inflammatory, opens up the coronary arteries, so you get up and go. That's important. It also helps to relax the GI tract and helps with spasms of the GI tract, with gallbladder disease and liver disease in general, and also urinary tract, and it's a good diuretic and flushes out stones also. It can go through the blood-brain barrier and also interact with GABA, so you are not depressed, which is really fantastic. There's very few foods that do that. Antifungal, and also kills the spores of the fungi, which is, well, I don't know of anything else that does that as far as the food goes. And it really does enhance the capability of the liver to heal itself. Very important if you have any type of liver problem going on. Also prevents platelets from sticking together and causing you to have problems with a heart attack or something like that. Also helps with preventing breast cancer, colon cancer, lung cancer, and prostate cancer. So eat your parsnips, that's for sure. And it also has a lot of essential oils in it, which really are very healing for the body. It also kills a huge amount of bacteria, bad bacteria like strep and things like that. Not, this is very important, and also really good for candida. And people should eat more parsnips for sure. Also helps with fevers, and it might create photosensitivity if you ate a ton of it, but that is very, very super uncommon, and most people hardly eat any of it, so it doesn't really happen. And the root itself, all of it, should be cooked, and it is tasty. There's no doubt about it. And get this plate over here, and I'll tell you my recipe. I just parboil them with a little bit of salt water, or you don't even need the salt. Really good. And then I split them in the quarters or even smaller, put them in the air fryer and put a little bit of maple syrup on them, and until they start to get pretty brown. And that's it. Take them out and enjoy them. You want to put a little salt on there? Fine. This recipe is sweet and salty and some of your favorite things. Yeah, people love this recipe. I've made it for people. Taste-wise, they're in the carrot family, something like a carrot, but maybe a slight anise type of flavor to them. And they could be mashed, like mashed potatoes, and all kinds of different, added to different things. And they are lower in glycemic index than a potato. So it's really good for people who are diabetic that way. So eat your parsnips. They're good for you in just about any and every way. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. I have people with all kinds of disease processes going on. I work to heal the cause, not just take care of symptoms like regular doctors do. Let's heal your disease for good. 831-869-9119. Also, remember God, remember I love you, and remember, you go back to biblical times. They didn't get the news every second. We don't need that at all. Let go of looking at your phone all the time. Let go of actually checking the TV all the time for the news. Just be and do what you need to do every day. And your blood pressure is going to come down. You're going to feel happier and more like yourself. And everything is going to change. Be happy within yourself. I love you.